show you how to fix no signal issue on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so open quick settings window, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so reinsert SIM card. Remove SIM tray. After remove SIM tray, cleaning. After cleaning, again insert SIM card. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app. Scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Click on general management. Click on reset and reset mobile network settings. Enter phone pin. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.